Islay, a mystical island off Scotland's west coast. Also known as Whiskey Island, Islay is only reachable by boat or small aircraft. It is world renowned for its peaty single malts. Lagavulin's unique character is born from its proximity to the rocky coast and the peat bogs created by the salty sea air of the ferocious North Atlantic. Tucked behind the 13th century Dunavig Castle, Lagavulin is tapped into the landscape from which it derives its coveted elixir. Visit our distillery and prepare yourself for a rich sensory experience. Breathe in the saline sea air and smell the barley malt as it dries over a cold smoked peat fire. Hear the peat-soaked loch water rush beneath your feet. Step inside and see Islay's longest distillation process, from the malt to the still. Then sit down and enjoy your favourite dram from the headwaters themselves. Islay is a place of intrigue and delight. Remote, beautiful, ancient, majestic. Lagavulin has distilled single malt whiskey since 1816. It's an Islay tradition, Scottish to the bone. When you drink Lagavulin, you taste Scotland. You taste Islay. Lagavulin is our message in a bottle, and we hope you find it.